Okay, I'm getting ready to start the bike and do a road test. I've proven that all four gears are available. If the transmission is still very difficult to shift, I'm going to see how it works under power on a test ride. In the meantime, I rerouted your tach cable so that it goes up correctly to the tachometer as smoothly as possible. Cables have to be as smooth as possible, otherwise they will snap. The way it was behind the crossover on the exhaust pipe. It was going to be melted anyway. Your clutch handle and your brake handle are reversed. This handle goes on the other side, not the whole assembly unless you want to, but you can just take the handle and put it on the other side. This slot is supposed to be on the bottom of the lever, not the top. I also rerouted the speedometer cable because it was routed down through the triple tree and nestled in here, which is the fork stop, and it had been damaged. I took a photo of the damaged area, and you can actually see it right here if I get around here. And there is the damaged area of the speedometer cable where it had been being pinched in the fork stop. Okay, so I rerouted those cables. I think I should reroute this throttle cable. It would be better over top the handle, but I don't care. Once again, this handle can be taken off with this nut and bolt and put on the other side. This slot is supposed to be facing down, not up. All right, what else? You can see the clutch cable comes around from the handle through the speedometer, tachometer, down through here, under the tank. It's loosely connected to the cross rocker box oil line, very loosely, and then goes smoothly down to the transmission. Once again, this cable has to be able to move, it has to float, and it has to be as smooth as possible. Otherwise it will snap, and it will usually snap at the most inopportune time. Okay, I'm ready to start the bike and do a test ride. We'll do that next.